Today, I'll show you how to insert image in Figma using a few simple methods. If you're working on UI designs, mockups, or layouts, knowing these options will save you a lot of time. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the page where you want to add the image. One of the most common ways is using the Place Image option. Go to the top menu, click File, then choose Place Image. You can also use the shortcut Shift-Command-K on Mac or Shift-Control-K on Windows. Once you select an image from your computer and click Open, your cursor will change. Now you can click anywhere on the canvas to place the image, or click and drag to control its size as you place it. After the image is placed, you'll notice it behaves like an image layer. You can resize it freely, move it around, and on the right panel, you'll see Image Fill options. From there, you can choose how the image behaves inside its bounds. You can keep it on Fill so it covers the full area, switch to Fit so the entire image is visible, crop it to focus on a specific area, or tile it if needed. When cropping, you can scale the image while holding Shift to keep proportions consistent. Another quick method is dragging and dropping. Simply open a folder on your computer, grab an image, and drag it directly onto the Figma canvas. This places the image instantly at its original size. If it looks too large, just resize it using the corner handles. This method is fast and works great when you're adding multiple images quickly. The third method is especially useful for UI design. Start by creating a frame first. Once the frame is selected, go to the Fill section in the right panel. Change the fill type from solid color to image, then choose an image from your computer. This turns the frame into a container for the image. You still get the same fill, fit, crop, and tile controls, but now the image is neatly managed inside a frame, which is ideal for responsive layouts and components. Each method has its own use case. Placing images directly is great for quick visuals. Dragging and dropping is perfect for speed. And using image fills inside frames gives you more control for structured designs. And that's it. Those are the main ways to insert images in Figma. Once you get comfortable with these options, working with images becomes fast and effortless. Thanks for listening, and happy designing!